Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Valorant error code VAL51. Now to get started, the first thing you guys can do is simply right click on the Riot client. You're going to go to properties, then you're going to go to the compatibility tab, and then from compatibility you're going to check two boxes. One, run this program as an administrator, and then two, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Once you check these two boxes, you can go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. Once you do that, try opening up Riot Client this way and then starting up Valorant from there. If the error code still does persist, the second method you guys can do is simply just restart your PC, boot it back up, and then check to see if that fixes. If that does not fix as well, the final method you guys can do is go to Settings. From Settings, you're going to go to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Then you're going to go to Network Reset, and you're simply going to hit Reset Now, and then go on from there. Now this will also restart your PC, but it will also basically just gets like a refresh system for your Wi-Fi, and that should also help for fixing your VAL51. Anyways, after you do all of these things, the error code should be fixed and you guys should be good to go. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.